Hi guys! Sa videong ito guys ay share ako ng work from home job. So, ito ay related po sa isang virtual assistant. So, hindi po ako nagtatrabaho dito ha, share lang po ako. Hindi ako connected sa kumpanyang ito. So, tapusin niyo po ang video and please don't forget to like and subscribe sa akin channel. So, let's start. So, ang website na ito ay ang Outsourcing Angel. So, ito po ay related sa remote job, VA, yan, administrative assistant. So, click natin yung Outsourcing Angel. Tingnan natin kung paano mag-apply dito. Yan. So, click natin yung Become an Angel. So, dito yung step-by-step application. Here's how to apply. Step 1 is send your application form. Check our available listing here and fill out the application form. Step 2, prepare for interviews. Once you pass the application, screening, and our initial funnel interview, get ready for your client interview. So step 3 is be an angel. Congratulations, you can now work. So, punta tayo sa job listing. Kung ano yung mga trabaho dito. So, ito yung mga available nila, e-commerce, social media with video editing, digital marketing, social media marketing coordinator, executive assistant, marketing, social AI-driven content specialist, after sales technical support VA, content marketing, sales cold calling, scheduling, finance, appointment setter, executive assistant, finance and admin social media, plus social media, content and social media specialist, full stack developer. So, ayun lang guys, baka nandito yung trabaho na hinahanap nyo. So, kung ikaw ay VA, so baka may magtanong sa akin, related ba ako sa kumpanya ito? Nasi-share lang po ako ng mga trabaho dito guys. And then, so let's click apply now para makita natin kung anong dapat nating fill upan. So, job ad code can be found on the job ad. If none, type NA. So, you put your first name, last name, and email ad, then phone, alternative number, Facebook profile, LinkedIn, personal background, sex, gender, marital status, province, address, educational attainment, college, university attended, course and degree, work background, currently employed or working, salary expectation, availability, and work skills, tools, apps, software, um, referred by, where did you hear about us, and then the requirements is your resume, cover letter, ano to, profile photo pala, then cover letter, resume, portfolio, video intro, principles, test result. Siguro ano to, yung internet something, baka yung specs o nandun natin kasi ano yung cityprincipal.com result, if I test result, ano to? Hindi ko to alam ha, but you can do your own research about this kasi nagsishare lang naman ako ng trabaho dito para doon sa mga taong naghahanap ng trabaho. Para na rin makatulong sa iba. So, ayun lang guys. Yan lang yung share ko ngayon. And then, kung gusto nyo pang, sige, frequently asked question. Ano 'to? FAQs, FAQs. Hiring question. Ito pala, meron pala silang mga hiring question here, frequently asked question. So, hiring question, how do I apply for a virtual assistant? How do I check on progress on my application? Do I need, yung mga applicant pala, ito ang kadalasan nilang tinatanong. How do I apply for virtual assistant? So, you can click, siguro, pag-click mo dito, meron na. So, the job listed, the website, ayan. How do I check my progress of my, on the progress of my application? Ayan, ayan. Nandito na lahat, guys. Pwede nyo pong i-check para makabasa kayo kung ano talaga ang dapat yung pagandaan. Do I need virtual assistant experience to apply a job? Ayan, nandito na rin. Ayan. Um, Also, outsourcing Angel, we know getting started quickly is important. That's why we prioritize matching client with experience, virtual assistant whose skills closely align with their specific needs. But don't worry if you're new to the VA world. We also welcome applicants from candidates with background in process outsourcing or BPO who have transferable skills that can shine in remote work. So, kung may experience ka na sa BPO, pwede ka dito mag-apply. Virtual assistance rules. Our team is here to help you find the perfect fit regardless of your experience level. Feel free to apply and let us know about your transferable skills and how you'd love to contribute to client success. So, meron what qualification skills are required to become a VA with outsourcing. So, nandito na rin, yan, highly proficient in English. So, kailangan proficient ka dito. Hindi ako pwede dito. So, have solid experience in their area expertise, such as an admin support, digital marketing, have reliable internet connection, 50 Mbps minimum download speed, 20 Mbps minimum upload speed. We'll check live during your Zoom interview. So, a backup connection is a bonus and are committed to long-term collaboration. Yes. How does the sales selection process? Yeah. So the initial screening of your application, a panel interview with our recruitment team to success your skills, compatibility with our culture, a client interview to assess your fit with specific client needs, expectation. So the general VA skills test evaluate their basic VA skills. So ayan, medyo medyo mahirap din dito guys. Kung gusto niyo pa ng more information about this job, pwede na kayong mag-check ngayon na. Can apply even if there are no position that currently match my skills. So ayun na, yes, you can. Our team will save your application for any future job opportunities. So yun naman pala eh. Isi-save nila and tatawagan ka nila siguro if ever open na yung job para sa'yo. So currently, we're only hiring virtual assistants from the Philippines. Grabe no? Talagang advantage talaga yung Filipino. However, as our company grows and it evolves, we might start recruiting from other countries in the future. So don't worry kung nasa ibang bansa man kayo is they uh, are ano ba? We might start recruiting from other countries, 'di ba? In the future. Keep an eye on our updates. Yun yung sinabi nila. So, what are your home office setups? So, nandito rin. Ayan. So, reliable internet connection. Yun. And then, you will be required to log into our online time tracking management. So is there a probationary period? So yes, you are placed a probationary period for the first 4 to 6 weeks of your work as a virtual assistant. Our Guardian Angel program closely monitors the progress of newly onboard base to ensure. Kaya nga ang gusto ko talagang matuto ng VA pero nga pag hindi pa talaga ganun ka broad yung knowledge mo about VA world is mahihirapan ka. Siguro may mga kumpanyang tumatanggap sa mga wala talagang experience. Pero dito, nakikita ko dito parang pag um, yung ano wala kang experience is parang mahirap makapasok. Kasi nakita mo naman. So, yun lang guys, kasi medyo mahaba at inahaba na yung video ko. Research na lang din kayo about this company, Outsourcing Angel. So, yun lang guys. Sa mga VA dyan, mag-apply na kayo. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel guys. Thank you.